City of Tartu is the second largest city in Estonia. The number of inhabitants in Tartu is 98,000 people. Today we have roughly 1,500 electric vehicles driving around in Tartu regularly. Right now we have roughly 45 public charging locations in Tartu.
SimpleCharge was created with a mission to bring EV charging stations to everyone, with the goal to empower the existing lamppost infrastructure for EV charging. Developing EV charging infrastructure is a very long, complex and expensive process, costing thousands of euros to deploy only one charging station. Moreover, in Central and Eastern Europe, more than 60% of people live in apartments where they don't have an access to electric vehicle charging socket, which makes it even less accessible to own electric vehicle. As a result, cities are heavily affected because citizens are hesitant to change to electric vehicles because they don't have a place to charge. The unique selling point of SimpleCharge solution is that we are using the existing infrastructure, in this way reducing the costs by 10 times to deploy hundreds of charging stations across the city. From the project experience of deploying multiple charging stations, we have created a fast-track guidelines on how to deploy EV charging stations in any city in Central and Eastern Europe. The positive impact of this solution is quite obvious, from reduced inequality of infrastructure access to improved quality of life through air and noise pollution reduction, combined with social and economic benefits.
As the infrastructure, street lighting infrastructure is already in place, we have roughly 15,000 lampposts all over the city. I believe that the lamppost-based charging solutions are therefore quite easy to be implemented. And as the lampposts are really located all over the city, it basically gives good opportunity to develop the charging network. I really do feel that having different kind of charging solutions, that's the future for the city.